I, Uma Agrawal, welcome you all to the online lecture series organized by Gokhale Education Society's BYK College of Commerce. As we are all aware that suddenly the virus infection has started growing, infecting one and many. So from the offline lectures, we were going on smoothly. We had to switch to online lectures. In the offline lectures, which were going on the topics up to this topic ledger has been taken up and completed. Even though the three topics were covered in offline lectures, but the online lecture series on the three topics are also made available on YouTube video link for revision. In this lecture, we would be going through the fourth topic of what is ledger and different example of it. Adverting to ledger. It is commonly called a book or in which or collection of accounts in which account transactions are recorded. Each account has an opening or carry forward balance and would record transactions as either a debit or credit balance and would record transactions debit or credit in separate columns and the ending or closing balance. It is also a permanent summary of all amounts entered in supporting journals which list individual transactions by date. Every transaction flows from a journal to one or more ledgers. For every debit recorded in a ledger, there must be a corresponding credit so that the debits equal the credits in the grand total. Let us solve the example. Prepare cash account, Abhiram account and balance the same in the books of Hardik. 2019 July 1st. Hardik started business with cash rupees 15,000 and machinery rupees 20,000. Next, purchase goods for rupees 9,000 less 10% cash discount. Sold goods to Amar rupees 3,000. Distributed goods worth rupees 700 as free samples. Bought stationery for rupees 550 for office use. Received rupees 950 from Dhanashri, a customer whose account was earlier written off as a bad debts. Abhiram invoiced us goods worth rupees 3,000. Settled Abhiram's account, he allowed 5% cash discount. Exchange goods worth rupees 2,500 against furniture of the same amount. Withdrawn cash from ATM rupees 5,000 for office use and rupees 3,000 for personal use. Adverting to the solution of the example. In this solution, cash and Abhiram's account sketch is drawn and the corresponding postings would be taken. First, Hardik started business with cash rupees 15,000 and machinery rupees 20,000. So Hardik started his business with rupees 15,000 as capital. So is posted in cash account debit side. Rupees 15,000 as capital to capital account. As we have drawn only cash account, so cost of machinery would be stated in machinery account. Next transaction, purchase goods for rupees 900 less 10% cash discount. The journal entry of this transaction is taken as purchases account debit to cash account 8,100, deducting the cash discount given. Then posted to cash account credit side as purchases rupees 8,100. Sold goods to Amar rupees 3,000. As the goods are sold on credit and we are preparing cash account, so credit sales and purchases are not posted in cash account. Next transaction, distributed goods worth rupees 700 as free samples. This is neither cash nor credit. So this transaction is not recorded in the cash account. Bought stationery for rupees 550 for office use. As this transaction has taken place in cash, so this entry is posted as stationery account debit to cash account rupees 550. See in credit side by stationery account rupees 550. Then post it to cash account credit side as stationery of rupees 550. Received rupees 950 from Dhanashri, a customer whose account was earlier written off as a bad debts. As bad debts were received in cash to the firm, the transaction therefore is posted as bad debts recovered account in cash account debit side rupees 950. Abhiram invoiced us goods worth rupees 3,000. As goods were purchased from Abhiram, the journal entry is purchases account debit to Abhiram's account. So stated as purchases in Abhiram account credit side rupees 3,000. Settled Abhiram account, he allowed 5% cash discount. As Abhiram offered 5% cash discount, his account was settled. So general entry is taken as Abhiram account debit 3,000 to cash account 2,850 to discount account rupees 150. See in cash account credit side Abhiram account 2,850. The transaction then is posted to Abhiram's account. The cash to be paid to Abhiram is posted in cash account credit side, that is rupees 2,850. Exchange goods worth rupees 2,500 against furniture of the same amount. As this transaction is neither cash nor credit, so no entry of it is recorded. Withdrawn cash from ATM rupees 5,000 for office use and rupees 3,000 for personal use. Rupees 5,000 is withdrawn from the bank. So the general entry is cash account debit to bank account. See in debit side to bank account rupees 5,000. The other 3,000 withdrawn was for personal use. So this transaction is not recorded. After completing the postings of different transactions stated above, the balance needs to be drawn. The final balancing figure received rupees 9,450. See the balancing figure by balance carried down 9,450, which is highlighted in red color. To balance brought down 9,450. Account of Abhiram as finally paid is settled accordingly. So his account is tallied because it is settled. With this, I conclude the lecture. In today's lecture, we have gone through as to what is the ledger and also made an attempt to solve an example with different types of transactions in cash account and Abhiram's account. I am hopeful and confident that all of you have understood these basics. Thanking you all for your presence and participation. I also thank respected principal Dr. Shri Ram Kulkarni sir, and in charge Vice Principal Shri Praveen Mule sir for guidance, support, and opportunity. Thank you.